Hello, if you wonder if Apple Watch Series 10 fall detection feature automatically call 911, then yes, and let me quickly explain how it works. So after detecting a hard fall, the watch will display an alert and basically it will tap us on the wrist. So you'll feel like some kind of the haptic on your wrist. And if you are responsive, you can choose to dismiss the alert or call emergency services manually. But if you remain immobile for about a minute, then the watch will start a 30-second countdown with an alarm. So there will be like a really loud alarm that comes from your Apple Watch. And if there is no movement or response during that countdown, the watch will automatically call emergency services and send a message with your location to your emergency contacts if you actually set them previously. And what is also very important, then automatic 911 calling is only triggered if you don't respond after a fall, like at all, right? And there's also another thing, that the fall detection is enabled by default for users aged 55 and older, but can be manually turned on for younger users. And you have to also be sure that you switch in your Apple Watch application on your iPhone to get this fall detection always, to detect fall detection always, because from what I know, as default, it's only set for exercise. So it will only detect this fall detection when you are, working out or put some exercise. So be sure that you actually switch this before you start using this Apple Watch, and you want to get this fall detection to get it always. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.